Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, if y'all here for my favorite, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all gotta keep watching. I don't know if this is a fall favorite or what, but y'all, I got some good stuff here on this here table. And before I get started, I just did a review on this hair wig. So make sure y'all check out my wig review, because y'all, I am loving this hair unit. If you didn't know, it's a headband unit, because y'all know here on YouTube they done hyped this hair headband thing up so much that y'all, it's just crazy. But anyway, we ain't here for that. Y'all to see what I've been loving. I have a table full of different things, so I'm not gonna go in any particular order. So here you all, here is this item, which is the smoothie. Is the energy boost smoothie. You can get this here at your local grocery stores. I will try and find it on Amazon or Target or Walmart, so I can link it down below for you all, just in case you don't catch it at your local grocery stores. But I'm sure all grocery stores have it. It contains 4 pre-portioned 8-ounce fruit / veggie bags. So these here are good for like a meal replacement, not like a dinner meal, but like a lunch meal replacement. Because today, before filming my videos, I didn't have breakfast. I did have coffee, but I didn't have a breakfast. So I was like, okay, I'm about to do my makeup, do all this filming. I don't really feel like, you know, sitting down cooking a whole meal or even making a sandwich. Like, I just didn't feel like eating like that, because I wasn't hungry, but I know I didn't want to take hours and hours with filming and not have anything on my stomach. So yeah, you all, this here is so delicious. It contains mandarin oranges, spinach, apples, grapes, and bananas. Now the only thing I will say is you will get particles of like the spinach, and that's, I don't know if that's because I don't blend it all the way, I don't know, but sometimes I'll have spinach in my mouth or a piece of apple stuff or whatever. But besides that, it's really good. And like I said, maybe that's why I got all this energy, because I'm like, yeah, let's keep going, let's go on. So yeah, you all, this here has been a favorite of mine. I found these here honey and salt roasted cashews. Y'all, when I tell you these things are freaking bomb, like, look at that. I've been snacking on these things like crazy. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even know how many points these contain. Let me see if I'll let me pull on my Weight Watchers app. Can scan it for you all if you are on Weight Watchers. It says 1/4 cup is 6 points, so it is a little high, but I guess 1/4 cup is a okay good size of peanuts. But I don't think I eat that many. I'll take probably like a little handful and eat. Are so delicious. I had to eat some of these. If I don't put them in my hand, I'll put them in like one of them little clear little dishes that you use to like you know, separate your ingredients when you cooking. Like, I'll pour a little bit in there, and as y'all know, that thing is like really small, so it doesn't hold a lot. A lot of times I'll put, you know, these here peanuts in there just so I won't overeat. Here are the type of peanuts you don't want to overeat, because I can see it bothering my stomach because of the sweetness. But y'all, it's just a perfect sweet and salty type of sweetness. Oh my gosh, you all, they are so delicious. Like, you may not be able to find this here particular brand, but if you can find any honey and salt roasted cashews, try them. And again, I will try and link what I can find for you all, just so y'all can try them. So that was it with the food items. And sticking with food items, even though this is not a food item, I have to share, because I did go to Crate & Barrel a few weeks ago. You all, this is what I purchased. This is what I purchased first, and it was this here popcorn jar, this popcorn container. And I done said it so many times, if y'all are a ride or die watcher, then y'all already know Miss Tamika loves popcorn. So I did get this here big popcorn container. Ate my popcorn of course it didn't fill the popcorn up. But this here, something more like if I'm sharing with family, or if it's like me and my kids and we watching a movie, this is what I would use for popcorn. I'm on the website looking, because y'all, Crate & Barrel has some really good things. I mean, they're a little pricey depending on what you're looking for. I found this. Like, look how cute this is. Now, what I should have did was I should have got this here first. And when I saw it, I was like, no, I'm not going to get it because it's too small. But this is actually a perfect snack size for a one-person snack. This here is more than enough. So what I'll do is when I make a big, when I make my popcorn on a stove, I'll go ahead and put my portion in here. And then I can share the rest with my daughter. She don't care about it being in this, a bowl, a plate, or a napkin or whatever. So she not really big on that. So I'll take out my portion and put it in here, make it look cute. Because y'all know I'm all about that presentation. So I'll go ahead and put my little bit of popcorn in here, sprinkle my little popcorn butter and my little movie theater salt. And y'all, just use this here for popcorn. I'll use it for like, pretzels, chips, or whatever other snacks I want to eat, and I don't want to overeat. So again, if you're trying to watch your weight, do the right thing, having little things like this help out with portion control. Because again, with this, you're not going to go and eat a whole bunch of stuff. Now with this, you will. Because when we was eating out of this, my daughter was like, well, I feel like we eating out of a bathroom trash can. And I was like, it kind of do look like that. I was going to return this, but since I couldn't find a receipt or whatever, I was just like, I'm gonna just go ahead and keep it. You never know. So, but this one here I use the most. So I will link this here down below, because again, it's not just for popcorn. And so that's that far as food and kitchen things. On to I guess hygiene. To mention this here Dove exfoliating body wash, body polish. I first purchased this, I thought it was lotion. I was like, oh, this smells really good. And then when I saw that it was a body scrub, I was like, nah, I don't want it. So I ended up taking it back. I bought it again because my daughter was looking for some body scrub. Let me go ahead and try this because I like this here. What scent is this? The crushed almond and mango butter. And when I smelled this, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta try it. And y'all, when I tell you, it leaves your skin so soft, like so soft. Like it smells so good, you all. Like, as you can see, the top, I scraped the top part off first. Scrape the top off first because that's how much I like it. I was like, we're gonna get that little bit off of the top. So I used that first. So that's why this here looks like that, because I just started using this here in the inside. Oh my goodness, you all, I can see me repurchasing this, and repurchasing it. It smells so good, you all. It smells delicious. Like, it smells like fruit. I'm that person that likes to smell delicious, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, you all, this here is a favorite of mine. If y'all tried this, let me know how y'all like it, because I love it so far. Moving on to my next item. I did mention this here before, but y'all already know this here lip scrub is a favorite of mine. I did get this here from Ulta. This is what I wanted to mention, this here lip scrub. If y'all wear lip glosses and lipsticks and all those, any type of lip product, to make sure you have some type of exfoliating for your lips and also a lip scrub. And I didn't realize how important this here lip scrub was, only because I was just always using my finger. One day Ulta had like a sale or a coupon, and I just threw this in with the coupon, because in order to get free shipping with Ulta, you got to spend a certain amount. So I was like, let me throw this in. I think it was $3 or $6. Y'all, this here changed my life. Like, it's a must if you use lip scrub. Like I said, you can use your fingers, but this here is a lot better, because you can go and scrape the inside of this and grab you a nice handful, like a fingerful, and go and scrub your lips really, really good. And then after I scrub my lips, I use, of course, y'all know my favorite Laneige lip balm, but I didn't show it because I think I showed it numerous of times here on this channel. So I just wanted to let y'all know this here has been a favorite of mine. I did have this for a while, but y'all, this here is a favorite. Again, I will try and link this down below for you all. Sticking with the whole, like I said, hygiene situation, I wanted to talk about this here TheraBreath Mouthwash, you all. This here is so bomb. Now this one here, I did purchase two. I purchased this one because of the packaging, because it's pink. And then I purchased this one because this one do one thing and this one does another. For it fights bad breath for 24 hours. I don't suffer with bad breath, but it's to help with controlling morning breath. You know how your mouth feel yucky in the morning? Using this, I don't have that problem no more. What I'll do is at nighttime I'll brush my teeth. Will follow up with this. Gargle for 30 seconds. I don't suffer with bad breath, but you know, I just like to wake up feeling nice. Like it, you don't wake up with your breath feeling minty fresh, but it do calm down that nasty, you know, that nastiness in your mouth when you wake up in the morning. I did get the mild mint, and the mild mint, it tastes like it's real light. You don't even taste the mint. So if you do, you know, suffer with bad breath, you may want to get the stronger version of this, because this here again is the mild mint. A little pricey for mouthwash, because my mom was like, really? I was like, leave me alone, Pat. I call my mom Pat. Leave me alone, Pat. So yeah, you all, it says right, that's why I bought it. Right here it says stop morning breath. And to put it to the test, so I ended up liking it so much I went out and got this one. Now this one here fights cavities for 24 hours, strengthen teeth, improve their appearance, and freshen breath, helps rebuild weak tooth enamel. Okay, no alcohol, no artificial flavors or colors. This here is the sparkle mint. Now this one here, the mint flavor is a little stronger. I said they do two different things. This one I'll use in the morning hours of the day, and this one here, like I said, I'll use at night, because it do helps with the nastiness in your mouth. You know, sometimes when you know how your mouth feel when you wake up in the morning. When you use this, you don't have to worry about that. And like they said, all you do is just use a cat full, and that's it. Well, if y'all tried these, let me know how y'all like them. I like them so far. Now when I go to repurchase them, I'm gonna try the blue bottle, see how that works. I am going to repurchase this one. My daughter and I use this, but this one here I'm gonna try in the blue bottle. Like I said, they are a little pricey. This one was a little more. This one was like $9 with tax. This one was $7 with tax. And I did get these here from Target, so again I'll try and link them down below. And moving on to my last item for is hygiene, face and all that. I mentioned this as a favorite, but you all, this hair glow recipe, like, oh my gosh, did I have to fall in love with this, because this hair is $34, but it is worth every bit. When I tell you, I have not used a face wash, makeup wipe since using this. All I do is take this here spatula, I take a scoop full, and I will a scoop full, and you, it smells like papaya. Like, look in the inside. Look how much I've been using this. When I tell you this was the best $34 purchase ever, this here is the truth. And all I do is apply it, I rub it in my hands, and then I'll start with my eye area, because that's where I have the most makeup. It just melts and melts and melts my makeup away, you all. Like, this here made taking my makeup off so much easier than those makeup wipes. To have a video using this, I will try and leave it up in the card so you all can go ahead and check it out. But y'all, so good. If y'all know of a drugstore version of this, let me know down below, because this here is a little pricey. I may go ahead and purchase this during the Sephora VIB sale, just to take advantage of the 15% off. So now I'm down to my my four last items to mention. But y'all, this here is one of my favorite coaches. I didn't think I was gonna love this here tabby as much, but this here style of a bag, which is a tabby, y'all, I love this bag so much. This was one of my best Coach purchases. Like, I love this hair bag, and I think it's more of the tabby that I love versus this hair color. Like, this bag I love so much, I will repurchase this in a different color. That's how much I love this hair bag. You were beautiful. Like, I'm not a structure type of bag type of person, but y'all, I love this hair bag. This bag every day. Like I was telling y'all, I wasn't sure. No, I wear her every day. You can see I have junk in there, but y'all, down my favorite bag for the at the moment, this hair tabby. Wanted to show you all her really quick. So I've been stalking the Coach Outlet website just to see if I can find another tabby, because like I said, I love it so much. I do want to purchase another tabby, but in a different color, like a more solid type of color. And moving on to my last 3 items, I did do a haul, an unboxing on this hair baby, and this here is my Sony ZV-1. I love this hair camera only because it was like a little treat for me. The reason why I upgraded my camera, because if y'all didn't know, I was filming from the G7X, the first version of the G7X, and I was going to upgrade to another G7X, but I did hear a lot of people complain about the focusing issue. Then I didn't like how the flip up part of the camera was, where it had screws, because you know, if you constantly flipping something up with screws, eventually it's gonna, you know, wear down on you. But this here, okay, this hair came out. I wasn't even looking for this, but it somehow found its way on my YouTube feed. I started looking at it and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and check it out. This hair camera, and y'all, I'm just telling you, if you're in the market for a camera, you may want to check the Sony ZV-1 out before you purchase a Canon. I like this hair better, and the focus feature on here is outstanding. When I tell you, all you do is this and it focus. Like, you know, with my Canon that I'm filming with now, which is a 70D, I gotta do this, you know, for it to focus. Not with her. Do is hold the product, you press the product showcasing button, you don't have that problem. So yeah, you all. And then if I didn't mention, the screen flips out like so. So you know, you can be vlogging, and you know, you can be filming yourself, and it looks like this when you film it. So yeah, you all, this here Sony ZV-1 is a favorite. Of course, I couldn't mention a camera, not this hair tripod here. If you get the Sony ZV-1, you have to get the tripod. Like, you have to. It's no other way. You have to. Now I have a tripod, a little tripod handheld one that went with my Canon camera. When I tell you, it's nothing wrong with it, but this here, you have to get this with that Sony, only because you can press record, you can take a picture, you can zoom in and out. This is the showcase button. Like, you can do all this from this here device. You don't have to worry about, you know, flicking the switch on the camera like I had to do with my Canon camera. You do everything from this here tripod. Do is screw on like this, and you can tilt it back like so. You can tilt it like this if you want to do like a down shot. Like, you can just do this so many ways. Now the only thing is, it doesn't sit up high as my other tripods, but I'm fine with that, because if I needed to sit like higher or anything like that, I'll just grab one of my little boxes or something and sit it up on. You have to get the tripod if you get the camera. With that being said, you all, I am done for today. I'm gonna go ahead and take this makeup off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off, and I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day, my night, because we just had a rainstorm by the name of Zeta. Yeah, they came through and tore Georgia up to the point where I didn't have power for about 3 to 4 hours last night. Yeah, go ahead and enjoy the rest of my night, and pray everyone is safe from this here storm. If you are here in Georgia, you know what I'm talking about. So with that being said, you stay safe. Please continue to wear your mask. And also, before you go, please don't forget to smash on that subscribe button and my notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Oh, and before I go, I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I see y'all. So again, thank you for taking the time to subscribe to your girl. And with that being said, I will talk to you all later. Bye.